Okay, good questions. Yeah, I would say one of the top reasons why landlord wouldn't do business with us is, like I said, which is the noise in the streets, basically, because they've heard bad things in Airbnb of the Airbnb environment society. And without knowing us and our business model, they're only going for historical data that they have. So lack of understanding, lack of knowledge. And I can also say it may be maybe it's just they don't want that level of traffic coming through their properties. They have when they think Airbnb or that
Wear and
type of thing,
tear, right? They're thinking of heavy wear and tear.
they're thinking heavy wear and tear. Heavy
Now,
wear and tear.
now the truth of the matter is
It's
it?
less wear and tear.
How?
Well, it's less wear and tear because our business professionals that come in typically come in to lay their head. They're not utilizing all of the amenities that we offer, like like using the stove, the refrigerator. Most of them use the refrigerator, but the stove, they don't cook. Most of them go out and eat when they're in town. They're not doing utilizing the washer and dryer as much as regular tenants would be using it. You know, they're not turning the heat up and down because we've regulated those, within the property. So it's not wear and tear on the HVAC system as much. So it's benefits to our model versus regular tenants.
So the takeaway is the thinking would be that the increased traffic would be more wear and tear. But the truth of the matter is there's less wear and tear because people aren't actually living in the place. They're just recovering.
Right. Go to a job site, come lay their head, maybe eat a little something, get up and do it all over again. Or come in town, experience what the event is, go out, eat, enjoy, come lay their head, and the next day they're out again. So they're not living there. That's a good word you use. Living. That's the difference.
Mm, so good. So good. Bro, thank you, man. Thank you.